Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Lisa G. Today I wanted to show you guys a cute, quick project that recycles something that you might not typically think of recycling. And I don't know if somebody has done this project before, but you know, it was something I came up with. I was sitting there playing with an idea, and I had these bags that silverware comes in when you go to the restaurant. And, you know, I think they do this so that kids have something to color, you know, when they're sitting there waiting on their food. But anyway, so I was sitting here playing with the idea of folding them up and making little tag pockets out of them, you know, because you got that pocket there, and then you can, you know, make this into a pocket like that. So, and then I was sitting here and I was like, well, I wonder if we could, like, double that idea up. So I made one shorter, and then if we do it like this, then we have several little pockets, okay? But the idea is that, you know, I want to cover these fronts with some other paper, and I think we're going to leave the pockets in behind and just, you know, cover like parts of it. So let me get all my papers together, and we'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay. So I got this book recently. It's got, you know, these really pretty little papers in it. And so I thought we might use some of these to cover our little bags with. It tastes pretty. Got some really great ones in here. I like this little pad. And it's got a lot of paper in it. I think it was like 100 sheets or something like that. So, very cute. So I pulled some of these out of it. Picked out a couple of pieces that I thought we might like to play with. I thought that might look really pretty on the front right there. I also had this guy that I thought might look pretty on there too. So I haven't decided yet. I may use both. I don't know. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, and also, I thought it might be a good idea to back the whole thing with a tag so that it gives it some sturdiness, and, you know, it just lends to the overall durability of it. So we're going to do that. And I just placed my little bags inside each other. They're still folded. I made it just a hair shorter to accommodate the tag. I already had the tag cut, and it just, you know, in order to save time, I just used one I already had. All right. And so I'm going to put paper, glue some pages down and stuff, and I'll probably speed through this for you. So just watch along, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, so now we're going to assemble everything. I've got all my little pieces put together, so I only had to do, you know, the portions that were showing. And now we're going to go back and we're going to glue everything down. So I'm going to start here, and I only want to glue the bottom portion at this point, and just on the sides. And I inked everything beforehand, so that's going to go together like that. And we're going to hold it down for just a second. Make sure it's all lined up the way we want it. Okay, and then we're going to do this one. Next little layer. Okay. Still holding everything in place here. And make sure it lines up. And press it down. Okay. Now we're going to do this one. Okay. I'll glue that guy shut. And we're, making pockets out of them, so we're only doing the sides. And we're going to let that kind of marinate for a second. Okay. And then we're going to glue the whole thing to this piece back here. And I think I want to go around this with my vintage photo. And grunge it up just a little bit. Front and back. You may not be able to see all of it, but any parts that you will see will be inked and antique looking. Okay, I think I want that to be the back. Alright, maybe. Yeah, I kind of think I want that to be the back. Alright. Now we're going to glue this down to here. Okay. I'll lay that right down on there. Flip her over, make sure she's lined up good the way we want it. It's off just a hair on that side, but that's okay. We're going to have it clipped into a cage, so I saved these little paper clips so that I could use one of them with this guy, like so. And I think I might add that butterfly. I think I'm going to cut him out real quick. Just fussy cut him. Okay. Kind of think I like that one better anyway. Let's see. Yeah, let's just put him right there. And we're only going to glue down his back side. Whoops. Get glue all over the place. Alright, so we're just going to glue down his back side so his wings kind of stick up a little bit, because I like the way that looks. And then we'll put this guy back on there. We'll figure out something to put on there, because that little piece is open. Alright, and of course I've got, some little pieces and parts already picked out that I wanted to put in this little guy. And let's see. So you've got this pocket, that pocket, this pocket, and this pocket. And then you've got the tag on the back, and you can, you know, decorate that any way that you like. So do me a favor and leave me a comment in the comment box below. Check out the description box, and I'll leave some links for you to check out. And this was on a previous video. If you want to go find it, I'll try to leave a link for it for you. Just, you know, you can drop like little doodads and stuff in here. It's just like a little portfolio kind of thing. So just something to play with. And if you leave a comment in the box below, you have the chance to get picked for some random Happy Mail. So, you know, we're going to be doing these little Happy Mail packets and giving some away each month. And all you have to do is be sure and watch the video and then leave me a comment and then check back in a week or so to see if you won. Basically, I'll leave a comment next to you, your comment that tells you that you've won. And how to get in touch with us to forward your address so we can send you some Happy Mail. Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by today. I'm so glad you did. I hope to see you guys in the comments, and I hope that you'll take the time to give me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to the channel if you'd like to keep on seeing our videos. And until next time, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.